Hi dear viewers, welcome back to all. And today I'm in the field of the onion field, and actually this is onion. So now I'm trying to get some onion flowers, and you know that this onion, so it's really so tasty. Yes, this is. And actually dear viewers, that's so much tasty, and if we make it a fry at the type of cooking and with the pieces of potato and also the onion flour, it's really so tasty vegetables for all of us, and I like it very much, and I think you also like it. Okay, so I'm trying to get some flowers right now, okay, as a vegetables today. Okay, and I'm getting here, and this is our onion field, and right now I'm in the village and our onion field, and there's also the garlic field there. You can see there's the side, there's the garlic. So garlic is really so tasty with vegetables, and it's onion. And there's also the tomato field. You can see that tomato, and after getting it, then I'll try to collect the tomato also. So okay viewers, keep watching it. Thank you. Okay, and really so tasty, that's very much. Okay, so after many days I'm in the village right now, trying to get it. So yes, there's the onion. And viewers, okay, I would like to show you the tomato field or tomato here, and you can see that tomato. So yes, there's a lot of tomatoes here, you can see here. Okay, this is the tomato. Okay, and here also just I'm trying to get it the ripe tomato here. So you can come this one please. Here's the ripe tomato, I'm getting it once. Yes, you can see that it's a ripe tomato. Yes, it's really so tasty, the ripe tomato here, and I'd like to collect it from now. So today I'll enjoy the vegetables, and yes, the fresh vegetables, so that is so much good for our health. So we should try to get it. So viewers, that's all about our tutorial from the field. Really, I enjoyed the scenario very much here. So wish you all the best. Take care.